juniors, and welcome back to Computer Systems and Programming. For this video, we'll be going over Python. This is the video you are watching currently right here. Here is the activity prompt, and here is the Python download. So I'm going to jump over to here. This is a very short lesson. All you are going to be doing is downloading Python. So Python is the language that we do, but first we need to install the Python interpreter to help us run all of our code that we write in the Python language. So to install Python, you are going to navigate to this website right here, and I have it open here. You're going to click here where it says download Python and download the newest version you can. And it will download this exe file right here, and you are going to run this exe to complete all parts of it. So I'm going to click on it. What you need to do is make sure that when you open up the .exe, you check all of the boxes that will be on the bottom that says add Python. So you would click this box here. Then you will click install now, and once the download is finished, click close. So you would click install now right here. I am not going to click install because I already have Python, just a later version. And now you will have just downloaded Python. Once you click install now, then once it's done installing, you can click closed and you will be all done. And that is all I have for you for this video. Remember, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I will see you all later.